Hi, welcome to the DYNAMIXEL SDK installation video. In this video we'll be going over how to install the SDK onto Java specifically. For those of you who don't know, the SDK is the software development kit. It's basically a set of tools and libraries that makes it much more convenient for you to create a program using any sort of language or IDE that you would like to use. So you can use C, C++, C#, Java, or Python. Like I said, we're going to be showing you detailed instructions on how to install for Python specifically. So to install for Python specifically, let's start off by actually downloading Python. You go to python.org, scroll over to downloads, and download Python 3.8.3. You'll do exe, it'll show up in the bottom here. Click it and run it. It might take a little bit of time to download, but once that's downloaded, you can move on to downloading your IDE if you don't already have one. ROBOTIS suggests Atom, so you can click download here. It will download another exe right here. You'll run that. I've noticed that Atom takes quite a bit of time to actually fully download, so it might take like a minute or two to download. But once that's downloaded, then you can go to the ROBOTIS GitHub and download the actual SDK. So right here, this green button is clone or download. You'll download the zip. It'll show up. I download into documents. You can see that I already have a zip downloaded. And then once you've downloaded the SDK, that's it. I'm going to go into my documents right here. Mine's already unzipped, but if you downloaded the zip, you have to unzip it yourself. So we'll go into the SDK. We'll go down to Java. Python. And now we're ready to install all of Python's SDKs, libraries. So we'll go cmd, go into the command prompt. You're going to type in cd space, copy down this pathway, Control V, and what that basically does is saying that I'm going to execute a command inside of this folder. And now you're going to run setup.py, and that's just saying to run the setup program. I already have set up the libraries for Python, but for you it'll be a long list of white text. In the next video, I'll be going over the examples within the SDK inside of Atom. So be sure to stay tuned for that. If you guys have any comments on videos you'd like to see, please leave them down below, and like and subscribe, and have fun programming.